So everyone, tonight's cocktail is, well, it's going to involve rum. We definitely know that. This is the 3-star rum, Jamaican Barbados rum, and tonight's cocktail is going to be a Pina Colada. We all like a Pina Colada, don't we? So let's go ahead and see what's involved. So first of all, we've got to take 100 milliliters of rum into each glass. So we're just going to pour out, and in this measure it's about just around half, as you can see there, half a glass of Barbados rum, and we're going to put that into that glass, and then we're going to do our next one. And there we go, about half a glass again of that's about 100 milliliters. Actually, that's a little bit short. Put a little bit more into there. There we go. We want a good nice Pina Colada. So we put that in the rum like that. So our next ingredients is coconut milk or coconut water. This is coconut water I'm using today because we haven't got coconut milk. So we're just going to measure around 60 milliliters in here. Okay, there we go. So that's one, and we'll put that into the that glass over there. There we go. And we'll do another one, another 60 milliliters of cocoa water. I just better turn the jug the right way around so I can see it. There we go. Lovely. Right, we'll put that into there as well. Okay, so that's our two basic ingredients. So our next ingredient, everyone, is half a fresh lime. Okay, you can probably just see it in there. There we go. And we're going to put a little bit of that. This just gives it a little bit of extra zing. So I'm just going to put some into that one. There we go. And a little bit into that one. Okay, let's put all that in. And the next ingredient is some cream. Okay, to make the Pina Colada a little bit creamy. Now, you don't want to put too much in, just a little bit to give it a bit of body, and you'll sort of know, okay, where it is, how much to put in. Okay, you don't need a little bit too much, and we'll just give that a little stir. Okay, so we've just given that a little stir. As you can see, it's already beginning to look a bit like a Pina Colada type colour. Right, and then finally our next ingredient is, and you probably see it over here, which is the pineapple juice that is just over here. So our final ingredient today is some pineapple juice. Okay, now try and get a good quality one as you can. This is just a local supermarket one, but we're going to just put that, as you can see, I've got around 200 milliliters of pineapple juice, and we're going to put that into the glass. Well, there we go, look at that. And we'll give that a stir in a minute. And we're going to do about the same, 200 milliliters of pineapple juice for the next one. And have to remember to turn this around the right way. There we go, to the milliliter side. And we're just going to go up to around about the 200 milliliter mark. There we go. and we're going to pour that pineapple juice into the cocktail mix already. Okay, there we go. And we're just going to give that a final stir with the mix around. Okay, give that a final stir. Okay, to make it look really nice, we've garnished it with a slice of lime on the edge of the glass to make it look really nice, and we're going to pop in 2 ice cubes into each one, and we've got a really lovely Pina Colada, homemade. Cheers, enjoy.